I'm going to keep the motorized scooter video separate than the other ones. I'm just going to do one good one, start to finish there. There's a little sneak peek right there. But yeah, so it won't be 12 episodes of that. It's just be one, hopefully coming up soon. So enjoy this one for now. Plains Raptor. But instead of doing a trike or a scooter out of the trike, I got this guy gutted. I just split hot. I put these some brackets in there on both sides, welding them on, grinding her down. The engine will fit right here, and the sprocket on there. I might have to cut this open a bit, and a motor, electric before. Should be awesome.
Having fun?
Yeah, that's fun. That's good.
Said to go hard with it.
What?
Said to go hard with it.
Go hard, yeah. Scared.
Said you can tell you're nervous.
Well, on the hill, yeah, I don't want a flipper. Not mine, I can't afford it. One day.
I don't think the gears would break it.
Yeah, a little bit. But that was fun. Thanks for watching there. Learning how to play with Skitty. That's pretty good. Traptor's older than I am, but it's getting the hang of it there near the end for sure. For sure. It's pretty fun. But thanks for watching the video. Thanks for liking it, subscribing. Thanks to the Patreons and the people that buy the merch. If you want, you hit the little bell notification on, and you might get a notification. Sometimes if you subscribe, you don't get a notification anyway, so thanks, YouTube.